seeing how many people can fit. Oh.
Hey everybody, back at it again with another video, and for today's video my friends and I are gonna go around the mall and IKEA, and we're just gonna do a bunch of random stuff and see how it turns out for a video. Okay. I found Linda and she's at her other job. I mean, this is her only job right now, but like...
I got fired from my last. I'm just kidding. Look, I'm the Virgin Mary.
You're not a virgin.
Yes, I am. Fuck you.
Guys, look how short Linda is compared to me. Oh my god, you're so short.
Look how cute she is compared to you.
Aww. Okay, first of all,
thanks,
you need to stop.
Thank you, princess.
Linda, you're so extra. You just came back from work and look at that eyeshadow, bro. Oh my god.
Not even extra, flawless. Get it right. Welcome to IKEA. This is where I live. My parents threw me out of the house, so now I live here. Experience? There's food, so there's not really much to complain about. My mom, who's camera holding. Hi, Mom. She fucking hates me.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's fucking weird. My dad also kicked me out of my house, but I'm living with my tia. For all you white people out there, that means aunt. Just heads up. But still,
Everything she's saying, she's joking, so don't be like, oh my god, she got kicked out the house. That's so sad in the comments.
Yeah, I actually live in IKEA. That's a true fact. I just looked at myself in the monitor. I'm such a bitch.
We're at IKEA right now. I'm sitting at like a little chair.
Why are you lying to them? This is our home.
Okay, so we're at IKEA right now. We're just gonna do a bunch of random stuff. If you've seen my Toys R Us video, I don't know yet.
Can we make it like really dramatic?
Yeah.
Like, we get kicked out of IKEA.
Got caught in bed in IKEA. If you've seen our Toys R Us video, then you know we're just gonna do the same as that, but at IKEA.
IKEA's closing. Oh shit. Hi.
What did you think was gonna happen?
MTV Cribs, come. Oh shit. Oh no. This is like.
Who is this? Who are you?
Surprise, motherfucker. Come to my crib, yo. So this is my crib. This is a toilet. This is the dressing room. And like this mat in the middle is just for Hi, brother. Hey, sisters.
Oh, are you having a little dinner?
Hey, Mom, you sit there.
So how was your day today? Oh my god.
It cracks.
You're pregnant! Congratulations!
Thank you. It's a week and
I can tell. Are you sure just a week? You can't even get on.
Jasmine told me to say these things.
My name's Alyssa. I'm kidding.
Oh my god.
Who are you?
Where?
You can't use that against me because you're a no.
I get into the cabinet. I've always wanted to do that.
Guys, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Have you ever learned to f***ing that? You can't use that. Baby grinds on me. Ew.
Jasmine, get off my bed.
Oh my god. It's Pennywise the taxi.
Someone called the cops. Wow, this looks delicious. Oh wow, it's like my real house. Nothing.
Can you actually put something in like a TV?
I can stand for that.
Alyssa, are these your family pictures?
Stop being racist.
Is this? Why did you have to move away from me like that?
That's not what I was doing.
Ow! Abuse! Just seeing it on camera.
Put the animal control number there. I'm probably
This is a nice couch. I think I'll take a seat. Ow!
Put the gas pedal music and then I'll be like,
gas
see?
pedal.
Like you can go like
I'm not even going to.
this.
I didn't know you were that close.
You camera, look at me. Technology is in everything.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's kind of ugly. I'm just kidding. That was
Your
nice.
face.
Oh, didn't you take a picture here before?
Why are you lurking on me?
Oh my god, why am I being attacked? This lighting is good.
Oh my god, Jasmine.
What?
I know this prehistoric to you.
Does anyone have
A
some
washer
toilet
and a
paper?
dryer.
You're acting like I never wash my damn clothes.
You wear the same thing every day.
Yeah, because I wash it. Hello?
No, you can't go there. Go where? It's not toilet paper
Every little boy who's gonna go there, it's like, it smells like depression in here. It smells like a thought in
It's like
here.
children.
Lindo, did you draw this? Why is your family all bloody?
Because I killed them.
Oh! Can I have some vodka, please? I'm having a really rough day.
It's Pennywise the taxi.
Someone call the cops.
Aren't you always?
Thank you. Just go like.
All I did was kind of go like. I think that's.
You were doing this.
Fight me, bro. Stop.
Bottle fight. No!
Being a different person.
Turn on the light.
It's already on though.
Put it closer.
Tell us what you know.
This is supposed to be a psychiatry lesson.
Yeah, Jasmine.
Yeah, Jasmine.
Open slowly. Oh my god, I thought that was the kitchen.
And now I'm gonna pause the video real fast to give you guys a quick word from our sponsor.
We're gonna put a little bit of salt. Skirt, 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 skirt. Oh. Damn, Master Chef. Gordon Ramsay cook.
She can cook, she can clean, she can do
Okay, now back to the video. Out there.
Are you filming a home vid?
I'm calling.
I'm gonna get kicked out by hitting someone in the pillow.
No, because if it
I don't
breaks.
catch you. I mean, I don't trust you.
I don't catch you.
Lisa, they have Yahtzee! Yahtzee. Yahtzee. Yaga.
Oh my god, that was so cool.
Oh, throw it!
Linda picks up the couch.
I mean, it's gonna be that
It's like a 5-hour drive.
mutter. I'm gonna be a mutter one day.
We're seeing how many people can fit.
That was actually pretty frightening.
Why? Because it's me?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry that I screamed in your guys' ears.
I'm bald.
I'm not sad that I screamed at her.
Part 2. Actually.
Linda, do you really need to use the restroom? Never mind, I don't know. Bye!
Bake. Bake. Get your head in.
Guys! You were ready!
You will never find a dog like this.
Just kidding. It's not a real dog, Lisa.
It's Flopper.
Oh my god! Just beat me with a dog. Guys, who did that to the stuffed dog with the snake? Oh, what did they do to the dog? Oh my god! What the hell, guys? Oh no. Guys, I think we're lost. We literally went in a circle twice.
I'm Liza Kushi. I'm a brown girl. Not the Indian kind, but I'm a brown.
Just gonna walk a little faster. We're leaving. Oh my god, it's so bright out. Oh my god, it's very bright out. I thought it would be dark. Ew.
Just kidding, get a better one.
Oh my god.
Like my.
We're all wearing blue jeans.
Tuesday. Yeah.
I'm not wearing black for once. Oh my god. I'm not wearing black for once.
20 minutes later.
I'm fine.
Whoa! I haven't been up here yet. That's so cool. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Oh, it's really dark. Okay. So I didn't get a chance to end the video there, so I'm gonna do it right now. I'm really tired, so I'm just gonna get this done really fast so I can take a nap because I am tired. Okay. So if you want to see more videos like this, you can like. If you want to see more videos on my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And yeah. Okay. Bye.
Wink.
Okay, so if you want, you can go click on the video over there. I don't know what's gonna be it. Maybe the Toys R Us video. Yeah, that seems like a good video. Okay, the Toys R Us video is gonna be right there, and go watch it, and go like it, and go comment. I'm just waiting those 20 seconds. Okay, good. Okay, bye.